You're posting consistently and you're still not making sales. You're not lacking talent, you're simply lacking clarity. And today, March 11th, instead of just celebrating my birthday, I decided to give you one of the things that changed everything for me. I'm going to walk you through the 5 visibility shifts that helped me move from being invisible to becoming a recognized authority. The things people overlook but actually work. Stick around to the end because I created something structured for those serious about implementing this. My name is Abasia Ofolimalo. I'm a brand strategist and I help business owners build brands that